Hi everyone! For this episode, we are going to learn some of the topics in the chapter 8 of the book's Nature's Numbers entitled The Dice Play God. Before anything else, let us introduce the people behind this every topic. The topic is Analytic Theory of Probability, which is explained by Audrey. The second is Deterministic topic by Kyla. And lastly, the Clockwork Universe together with Quantum Mechanics and Classical Mechanics, which is explained by Kay. Hope that you guys will enjoy watching and learning from our videos. So sit back and relax as we go on to the videos. And also don't forget to take notes. So let's start.
Now, let's discuss about the analytic theory of probability by Pierre-Simon de Laplace. Pierre-Simon de Laplace is a famous French mathematician, astronomer, and physicist who is best known for his investigation into stability of the solar system. He also demonstrated the usefulness of probability for interpreting scientific data. In 1814, Laplace published a popular work for the general reader, a philosophical essay on probability. This work was the introduction to the second edition of his comprehensive and important analytic theory of probability. Analytic theory of probability was first published in 1812. In which he described many of the tools he invented for mathematically predicting the probabilities that particular events will occur in nature. He applied his theory not only to the ordinary problems of chance, but also to the inquiry into the causes of phenomena, vital statistics, and future events, while emphasizing its importance for physics and astronomy. Probability. Probability is simply how likely an event to occur or how likely is that proposition is true. The formula for solving probability is successful outcomes over total possible outcomes. For example, a die. A standard die has sides numbered 1 through 6. When you roll it, any of those sides is just as likely to come up as the others, and there are 6 possible outcomes. So using the formula, the probability of getting the desired outcome is 1 over 6.
According to Mahatma Gandhi, true education is about getting the best out on oneself. I hope that you feel motivated because our next topic is about deterministic.
Deterministic comes from the word determinism that means lack of free will. It is the opposite of a random event. In mathematics, computer science, and physics, a deterministic system is a system in which no randomness is involved in the development of future states of the system. If you have all necessary data to predict or determine something, then the outcome will be 100% certainty. The process of calculating output is called deterministic process or procedure. One example can be the conversions of Celsius and Kelvin. Since the formula is not random, it means that the exact formula will always give you the correct answer. Given the initial state or condition, procedure will always have the same results.
So what is a clockwork universe? The clockwork universe compares the universe to a mechanical clock, and it continues ticking along as a perfect machine with its gears governed by the laws of physics and making every aspect of the machine predictable. There are two theories under the determinism. One is the quantum mechanics and the second one is the classical mechanics. Quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics was determined as prompted by Einstein's famous statement in a letter to his schooling Max Born that you believe in a God who played dice and not in complete law and order. It differs from classical physics in that energy, momentum, angular momentum, and other quantities of a bond system. Classical mechanics. Classical mechanics is a mathematical study of the motions of everyday objects and the force that can affect them. It is possible as well to predict how it will move in the future and how it has moved in the past. The earliest development of classical mechanics is often referred to as Newtonian mechanics. It consists of the physical concepts based on the foundational works of Sir Isaac Newton in the 7th century to describe the motion of bodies under the influence of a system of forces.
Now that we are done discussing some of the topics in the chapter 8 of the book Nature's Numbers entitled Do Dice Play God, we hope you learned something from us
as we explored intriguing uncertainties. Thank you for being with us throughout this episode. Till next time!